So ever since Sha'carri Richardson beat the Jamaicans in Budapest World Athletic, a lot of people started feeling like Paris Olympic belongs to Sha'carri Richardson, and in Paris Olympic, Sha'carri Richardson is going to get the gold medal again. But permit me to say that those people saying Paris belongs to Sha'carri Richardson are now losing their confidence, and the reason behind this is recently Sha'carri's poor performance in the Diamond League. Now, if you are truly a track athletic fan, then you definitely know that Sha'carri Richardson races 2 times in China, and among all those races, Sha'carri Richardson was being beaten in the 200 meters, which is sending a very poor signal that Sha'carri Richardson might not really be prepared for the 2024 season. A big name like Sha'carri Richardson is not supposed to be losing a 200-meter race. And let us not forget that the first athlete that beat Sha'carri Richardson in her first Diamond League and season opening race is an unknown athlete known as Tori Bowie. And a lot of athletic fans were not happy that an athlete from nowhere ended up winning the race against Sha'carri Richardson. What do you think will happen to Sha'carri when finally Sha'carri Richardson showed up? What do you think will happen to Sha'carri Richardson when Elaine Thomson Herah finally showed up? The season is not yet hot, but Sha'carri Richardson is losing a lot of races already. And do not also forget that a Great Britain athlete known as Daryl Nita also defeated Sha'carri Richardson recently at the Diamond League in Shanghai, and this is sending a lot of negative reaction among athletic fans. People are now feeling like Sha'carri Richardson needs to work so much on herself if she wants to be the shining and golden star in Paris Olympic 2024. But let us not underestimate the power of Sha'carri Richardson, because I feel like she is quite trickish. What if Sha'carri Richardson is losing all these races intentionally? What if Sha'carri Richardson is saving her energy for Paris Olympic? What if she is losing because she knows what she is doing? What if Sha'carri Richardson's ultimate goal is Paris? What if she is hiding her true powers and displaying her weakness just to kind of trick her peers? This is a call to all athletes not to mind the current situation of Sha'carri Richardson. And I feel like the message of this video is clear. You can't always be winning all the time, so you can't blame Sha'carri Richardson for literally losing 2 races, because that is the narrative a lot of athletic fans are trying to spread, that Sha'carri is definitely not gonna shine because of her recent poor performance, that she is not gonna shine in Paris Olympic like she did in Budapest World Athletic Championship. Let me hear your opinions in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe.